Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Robinhood or Ally Invest. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better than the other, because both applications or platforms are great to use. But I will tell you with my experiences on both trading platforms which one will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on Robinhood. And the main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. The main focus on Ally Invest is investing integrated with banking. If you look to best for, and with that I mean Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders, and Ally Invest is the best for long-term investors and Ally Bank customers. If you look right here to the trading tools on Robinhood are basic chart and just trading tools. It's very beginner friendly. And the trading tools on Ally Invest are research tools, screeners and portfolio management. If you look to the interface, Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner friendly, and Ally Invest is clean and easy to use. So also when you're a started beginner with investing, then Ally Invest is very good to use. If you look right here to the fees and trading costs, Robinhood has a commission-free trading and Ally Invest has a commission-free stock and ETF trading. So, if I'm honest, if you're using already an Ally banking account, I recommend you to use Ally. And if you don't have that, I can also recommend you to use Robinhood, but they are very the same. Robinhood has more trading options in my opinion, and Ally Invest is better for stock trading and ETFs. So in my place, that is one of the best comparisons to tell you. If you look right here to a tip, many investors use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETFs, options trading and beginner-friendly investing. And many users or investors use Ally Invest for the long-term investing, retirement accounts, banking integration and portfolio management. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which one you need to pick. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.